Have you ever wondered how that little plastic card in your wallet instantly knows who you are, how much money you have, and can magically pay for things with just a tap? Today on Knowledge Hub, we're slicing open a credit card, not physically but digitally, to uncover the hidden tech packed inside this unassuming rectangle. Because what looks like simple plastic is actually a pocket-sized marvel of encrypted engineering. Let's start with that tiny silver chip on the front. That's called an EMV chip, short for Europay, MasterCard, and Visa, and it's the brain of your card. When you insert it into a terminal, it doesn't just send your card number. Instead, it creates a one-time encrypted code for that specific transaction. This code gets verified by your bank and can't be reused, making it nearly impossible for anyone to steal your data through cloning. Now flip the card over and you'll see the magnetic stripe, a relic from the 1960s. It works like a cassette tape, storing your info in magnetic patterns. When swiped, the terminal reads those patterns to pull your account details. But it's outdated and not secure, so most banks are phasing it out in favor of smarter encrypted systems. Then there's contactless payments, the iconic tap to pay. Inside your card is a tiny NFC antenna. When you bring it close to a terminal, the reader emits a radio field that wirelessly powers your card through electromagnetic induction. This wakes up your chip just long enough to send an encrypted burst of data and complete the transaction, instantly, securely, and without a single touch. But here's the real magic. How does the card know how much money you have? Well, it doesn't. But the terminal it's talking to does. The second you insert, swipe, or tap, the terminal connects to your bank through a payment network like Visa, MasterCard, or Amex. Your bank receives the encrypted request, checks your identity, verifies your available balance, and instantly approves or declines the payment. If it's approved, your account is updated in real time and your digital money moves. And all of this happens in less than 2 seconds. It's a live handshake between your card, the merchant's terminal, the payment network, and your bank, all in real time. So what's really inside your credit card? A magnetic recorder, a cryptographic chip, a wireless communicator, a secure microprocessor, and access to a global financial network, engineered to fit in your pocket. So next time you pull out your card to grab coffee or book a flight, remember, you're not just holding plastic. You're holding decades of innovation, a cryptographic vault, and a radio communicator all in one. And that's the genius inside your credit card. If you enjoyed diving into the tech hidden in plain sight, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more. And as always, stay curious.